Welcome to you, my name's Dayle and this is Dayle's Addiction, and this is my second Fendi made to order unboxing. I'm so excited, less apprehensive than I was with the first one because the first one was really a risk a first time. This one, I just know it's going to be fabulous and I'm so excited to unbox it and share it with you. I also have today another special unboxing, which is a belated birthday present from my lovely friend Connor from the channel, The Closet by Connor. A little bit flustered, a little bit excited. And I'm going to show you that one first. Now, yep, it's Fendi. Now he teased me with some consignment pieces that came in, knowing that I would absolutely be keen on them, and sent me videos of them, and I said I definitely want one, and then I decided that which one I wanted, and then I said let me know the price and I'll transfer you the money. And he just procrastinated some more, and I didn't connect the dots that he was just seeing which one I wanted because his plan was all along to gift it to me for my birthday. So it comes in this box and yeah, it's so wonderful. It is a full set. It is bloody amazing. And if you know what's coming next year for Fendi's 100-year anniversary, you will be able to connect the dots. So here is the dust bag. These were always a part of the men's collection as far as I'm aware. An original bag bugs charm. Oh my god, it even kind of looks like Connor a little bit with the hair, don't you think? Let's just do a side by side, shall we? Do you think? Can you see the resemblance? I mean, the brows even, like different colour, but you know. And the side eye. So much in common. This is a limited edition, let me tell you. Where is it? Limited edition original bug in rabbit, mink and silver fox. And these were the original bag charms from like 2015. Like it just, oh, feels so amazing. Now this comes with all of its ticketing information as well. We all know that bag charms are coming back. This is the Fur Freak, and they have been back for a while. I'm not a fan of the labu and all that kind of jazz. I'm here for the original. I think the original and the best. This is where all those fluff ball charms like really started to make an appearance. It was the start of the trend, and this little fella is just going to be the perfect size to complement my made to order. Now those of you who've been around a while also know that I have one of the original what's it called now? It's Carlito Punkito. How terrible of me. And this one too. I mean, look at the two of them together. Like, could this be like me and Connor? So cute. But these are all coming back, and I'm so glad to have these two treasures from Fendi, the original collections, and I have them both with full set, and they are so full of personality. Let's put them to the side and let's open the big one so that we can put it all together. Thank you, Connor. It's a beautiful, thoughtful, if not, you know, tricky and deceptive gift. Still very grateful. All right, the story behind this box. Check out this gorgeous little note from Christian. Back in May, June, I was invited to participate in their made to order, Celleria made to order. And, you know, I was like, ho-hum, whatever, not really interested. And Christian, who watches my YouTube channel and my videos, hey Christian, I know you're watching this video. He knew I'd been talking about in my wish list and for a while the fact that I wanted a big, sloppy, slouchy, smiley peekaboo. I'd been looking at the pre-loved market and they were all pretty ordinary in terms of their condition and not really what I was chasing. There was one that I loved that was a khaki crocodile, but couldn't get it exported into Australia because of CITES and the likes. And so I kind of gave up on that and thought, we'll see what happens. Then fall winter was coming and we heard about the Fendi Peekaboo Softs, which are here now. They're lovely, they're larger bags, they're a slimmer profile than the Iconic and the ICU range. And most certainly they have been quite tempting, but is still again in quite a neutral colour palette. There was a red and a blue, I think, but neither of those are really my vibe. And so when he said that the large was going to be available for made to order, which is very rare, doesn't happen very often, I was intrigued. So I started looking at the leather swatches and I came up with my typical combination of pink and green. Yeah, she doesn't stray far from what works. But in my view, a very neutral colour palette, something that would be both practical, something that would go with a lot of my wardrobe, and also something that kind of met that need that I have for the big smiley slouchy peekaboo. And so Christian went about getting the designs, we added a few little special finishes and he sent it back to me. He sent me a full video render and then he sent me the price. And the price in European recommended retail price, with the benefit of a VAT refund if I was able to purchase when I was overseas and bring it back with me, was less than the price of a Fendi Peekaboo ICU small in Australia at the moment, which is currently priced at $9,100. So stay tuned to the end and I'll tell you just how much I paid for this one. Needless to say, I said sign me up, and we crossed our fingers and toes that it would be ready for when I was in Paris. It was not, but we worked around that. Here it is, the big box. Is it heavy? Yes. Is it going to be spectacular? Yes. I'm going to try and do as much of this on camera as I can. So these beautiful boxes are very different to Fendi's typical boxes. When you open them up, there's a little note inside that says, "Enjoy your bag, Sylvia Fendi." And this one is different to the other card, so same handwriting. So that is evidence that she does write them all herself, or somebody else with the same handwriting writes them all themselves, because this one is significantly larger than the one that I got for my other MTO. She's hiding there in the background. Should I get her out just to say hi to, you know, continue the suspense? This is my first Fendi made to order. It's a men's trunk clutch in the mini size, and I had it made in pink crocodile with beautiful emerald Swarovski crystal buckle and emerald beading with the ruthenium hardware. And this little babe is so beautiful. It has a plaque with my name inside, and yeah, just an absolute little treasure in my handbag collection. So we have some lovely folded paper, and I can see the strap and the bag nestled in there very snugly, and on the dust bag it says, "For Dayle." I can already smell it. I can smell it. If this was smell-o-vision, you could smell it too. Now we're going to get our first glimpse of the colour of the bag. So here is the strap. Oh yes, oh yes. This is called Olive. It is the most organic, oh yes, it's the most organic green. It's not that emerald green. It is, to me, I wanted a bag that was neutral enough to wear summer and winter, that wasn't too dark and depressing. Look at that. Yes, and I love how thick and short it is. So the Fendi Peekaboo Soft. Let me just play with that. The Fendi Peekaboo Soft. The strap is slightly too short, I think, to wear over a coat for shoulder wear. I do appreciate the style of it, but I have actually been looking online for a shoulder strap for this bag in anticipation of it arriving, because I was worried that I wouldn't be able to do it on the shoulder, that it would be too long. This is encouraging. Here we go. Oh, okay. Never been one for sniffing leather, but guys, look, 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 look. Oh my God, it's so, I have to get in nice and close. It is just, oh God, it's good. Oh, there's a card. We'll read that in a minute. Oh. The inside. Look at that. Okay, let's unstuff this. Oh. Okay, I need to pull this apart. I need to see. I need to see. I need to see. I need to see. Oh my God. Yes, 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 yes. She smiles already. Oh my God, is it not the most freaking beautiful thing you've ever seen? Oh, like this, look at that. Look at that. Oh, and look, it's for me. It's Dayle's bag. Oh my God. This, like, I'm salivating. It is so, it's delicious. Oh, here is the card. Fendi, you do it like nobody does it. Oh my God. Oh, the raincoat, everything. Honestly, this bag, oh, it's so much better than a Peekaboo Soft. Because look, it's one big thing. It doesn't have all these. Oh my God, it's one big thing. It's one big thing. I'm going to get the laptop. Hold on. This is my 13-inch MacBook. Let's see. It's a work bag. I'm depreciating it. Hello, Mr. Taxman. Yes, I do have a Fendi bag for my work bag. Oh, I can't wait to show you more shots. Let's get that out. I mean, it is heavy, but it's the laptop that's heavy. It's not the bag. Oh, look, look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. I don't know what to do first. Let's have a look at the card from Christian. Oh. Oh, look. This is when Fendi did their amazing show over the Trevi Fountain in Rome. Oh, I love it. I wonder if he'd be okay for me to read this. I'll read it and then I'll ask him before I put it up. Dearest Dayle, it's my absolute pleasure to provide you with your made-to-order Dream Peekaboo in the large size. I can't describe how special it also is to me. I've been watching your authentic and likable content for years, and now I could participate to bring a new beauty to your bag room. Enjoy the Peekaboo, and I do hope it will be a helpful companion in your daily life and make you think of our creative process, which was so much fun. All the best, and I hope to meet you at some point in the future, Christian. Attached is a little artwork of and for you with the new bag. Oh. Look. Thank you. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my God. I'm a little overwhelmed. Oh my God. Okay, let's put this little buggy dude on as well. Thank you so much, Christian. Oh my God. Is this not me? Is this not me? Is this not me? Oh, okay. Oh, Connor, look. Meant to be. Was meant to be. I'm going to try Carlito as well, just for kicks. Just for kicks. Put him on. Labu Labus. So last season. God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, let me, I need to put on this strap and I want to try this out. See if I can get far enough away from the camera to have a little looky look. And then I'll tell you what this ended up costing me. Can we get far enough away? Oh, I'll put in some more chops, but oh my god, this is everything. This is everything. This is everything. I can't tell you. Well, you probably know. I don't need to tell you. I can't tell you how happy this makes me that I didn't settle and pick a pre-loved bag. I didn't settle for what was in the boutiques, that this opportunity came, and thank you so much, Christian, for thinking of me, and that it just came to me. It just came to me. It was such an easy decision to make, and it is so different to my old made to order, but same colour combination. You can see how wearable it is going to be for me with my work wardrobe, but also I see it as a great travelling companion too. I do not want to damage her, but I will be happy for us to have adventures together and for her to get a little bit beaten up while she's in my company, because I mean, look at this beautiful, beautiful tortoiseshell. It just looks so gorgeous. The inside of these bags, the stitches, I've noticed that Fendi now say how many stitches are in each of the ICU Celleria style peekaboos, and like that's just another lovely element of their craftsmanship and the savoir-faire. I said that this was that the small size, which I'll grab out my small. So here's a comparison between the small and the large. There is a size in between called medium. We don't need a medium. The small size in the Romano Cuccio leather with the Celleria stitching is $9,100 for a basic kind of model on the Australian website at the moment. And I paid just under $7.5 for this large size as a made to order, which I think is incredibly good value for the materials, for the fact that it is custom made to my specifications. It is just amazing, and the whole process was wonderful. It was actually a blessing that it didn't come to me in Paris, because like, where was I going to put it? I had the luggage allowance in kilograms, but not in the number of pieces that I could take on board. I'm pretty sure they would have felt sorry for me. I was more worried about the Dubai Brisbane leg than the out of Paris leg. So yeah, it was possibly quite a bonus that I wasn't trying to lug this one home on top of the Birkin as well, which, you know, I'll talk to you all about how I packed everything in my Q&A. Oh, I love it so much. I'm so, so grateful that I had this opportunity, that I got to design it, and to Christian for giving it to me, to Connor for the best ever, the best accessory. Like, what a fantastic birthday gift. I'm just, you can see my eyes, they go really small when I'm excited. They're like, I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm thrilled. I am thrilled. I'm thrilled. I'm just going to go and put my head in this bag and sniff it for the rest of the day. Oh, amazing. Yeah, I'll shut up now. I'm just, yeah. It is one of the most special pieces in my collection, and I'm absolutely thrilled about it. Oh, look at it. It's so good. I will do a bit of a kind of overview of the large versus the small and the petite. If you're interested, let me know in the comment section down below. I know there's not a lot around about the Fendi Peekaboo ICU, so I will attempt to fill that void for you. If you are considering, because I talk to a lot of people on Instagram, maybe I could make some videos and that would answer a lot of those questions. So yeah, tell me what you think. Are you as in love as I am with this large beauty? Large bags are back. We're on trend. It's anyway, charms, whatever. Yep, shut up, Dayle. Like, subscribe. I'd love to see you back for the next one. Until then, ciao.